Hello everybody, if you want to see how I got this jumbo knotless box braid look, then stay tuned. I have you covered with details. Okay, we starting off with this 4C hair. The first thing you want to do is section off the hair, parting it from ear to ear. Grab a rubber band and put it on the front section of her head where her hair is. And then you just want to take that lower half of hair and you just want to part that off into two halves. After you do that, you want to take that lower half and section that off into two halves as well before starting to braid. You want to grab your shining gel and you just want to put it at the root of the hair like I'm doing before we start. Okay, you want to make sure you're using the back of the comb to smooth in that shining gel into your hair so it can get very smooth. The next thing you want to do is grab the section of hair that you're working with into three sections, 1, 2, and 3. And then you just want to start braiding. I'm going to braid about 2 full times and then I'm going to start adding hair in. So that is 1 full time. And then I'm going to braid 1 more full time and I'm going to grab my right hand, grab some hair, and I'm going to grab that hair with my left thumb and I'm going to keep the other right side of the hair with my natural hair on my right side and continue to braid like I am doing right now. And then you want to repeat the process. After you braid 1 time, you want to grab some hair with your right hand, grab your left thumb to grab that hair, and you want to continue to braid like I'm doing right here. Okay, once you get down to almost the end of the natural hair, I always add some shining gel to make it easier transitioning over. So that's what I'm doing right here. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. I have a lot of more videos to share with you. But we're not done with this style yet. I have different steps I want to show you. So please continue to watch till the end. I'm going to show you how to do it again on the second braid. Remember to section the hair off in 3 sections. And then you just want to start braiding like I'm doing right here. And once you start braiding about 2 times, you want to grab your right hand and grab some hair so that your left thumb can feed in the hair and then keep the right side of the hair with the right side of the natural hair. And you just want to continue that process. And I'm just going to let you see me do that. Okay, so now it's time to section off the other part of the hair, and you just want to follow that line of that last knotless braid, and you want to make your parts right there. Grab some rubber bands and just section off the hair, and then continue to braid. You can watch this video as many times as you need to, because I really believe that you can achieve this knotless braid look and any other look. You know, once you get the concept down, you'll be great. So just keep rewinding to the parts that you need help with and just continue to practice. Okay, and this is how the back of the hair should be looking. And it's time to jump on the right side of her hair at this moment. And you just want to section off that hair. And you just want to start braiding. And I'm just going to let you watch that. Okay, y'all, while I was braiding, my daughter decided that she wanted a heart braid on the side, so I'm just going to do a quick heart braid, and I was just show you how that turned out. And if you like that, and if you want me to show you how to do that, leave a comment below, and I definitely will. Okay, after doing the heart braid, you just want to continue to do the knotless braids throughout her hair like I'm doing. I'll just let you see that. And once again, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of more videos to come. I added some beads, and this is the finished look. I love it. I love it. I love it. And she loved it as well. And she's just gonna turn it to the side to show you how versatile it is and to show off the peekaboo heart. So once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have many more videos to show you. Have a great, blessed day.